The Clarke CTJ1250AC 1¼ ton aluminium trolley jack is ideal for low-slung sports and race cars. This great trolley jack benefits from a super low saddle of just 85mm, lifting to 370mm. Its rubber contact pad helps prevent damage to vehicles, and the dual pumps make this a fast-acting jack. The simple-to-use twist lock and unlock handle has a protective rubber sleeve to protect the vehicle bodywork. The swivel casters and wide front roller make maneuvering this trolley jack easy without sacrificing stability. The aluminium construction makes it light in weight, and the tough anodized finish makes the CTJ1250AC not only easy to move, but great looking too. It's clear why this is one of our best-selling trolley jacks. With a lifting capacity of 1¼ tons, the simple-to-use CTJ1250AC is the perfect jack for low-slung cars and a firm favorite with race teams and sports car owners.